Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bobby Montego, and today I want to look at the topic of the hairstyle dreadlocks. How comes it's so popular around the world today? Uh, it is common to see anywhere black people live in large numbers in the world to see dreadlocks as an everyday hairstyle. In Africa, in North America, all over the Caribbean, in Brazil, in Europe, where there's a large black population from Africa. Um, it's a commonplace we see it in popular things like hip hop, the hip hop music, the hip hop culture. Um, but dreadlocks has a long history. It first emerged in Jamaica as a Jamaican hairstyle. It was once a resistance to post emancipation British colonialism in Jamaica. It was a thing of resistance to the Queen and her colonialism in Jamaica. The hairstyle annoyed and scared the British, let's say, sensibility, so to speak. Um, and they called it dreadlocks, meaning dread, meaning terrifying, because it scared them. When Rastafari emerged, Rastafari adopted the hairstyle as a sacred symbol of their resistance to colonialism. Jamaica high society and upper class at the time did not sit well. The hairstyle did not sit well with them. They showed contempt for the hairstyle. They would call Rastafarians dirty head Rasta boy. Dirty meaning dirty. Showing their contempt. But views of the hairstyle began changing when a Prime Minister of Jamaica, Michael Manley, in the 70s, was seen by the Rastafarian community and many of the wider community, much in the wider community, as a pro-Rastafarian leader. In addition to that, Bob Marley at the time was emerging as a epic image around the world. The hippies also of the 70s had their peace-loving movement, frequented Jamaica, the Negro section of Jamaica especially, for the music and the ganja and just the free living, the barefoot living in Negril. They brought back with them the practice of wearing the long hair, even though it wasn't quite like a black person's locks. The hippies, which were primarily whites, brought back those the style too, so that helped promoted how the dreadlocks was seen favorably around the world. Since then, reggae and the Rastafarians have taken the hairstyle globally, so much that it's just a common thing to see today. But one thing is for sure, though, even though not everybody who wear the dreadlocks is a Rastafarian, Jamaica is credited with having given the world a symbol of resistance, the dreadlocks. Thank you for watching. This is Bobby Montego, and you're in tune to Wake Up and Live.